In the recent years, delivery issues, product shortages, and an increase in delivery costs have impacted business for a lot of companies. We at Danfoss Sensing Solutions, we felt this firsthand as well. We understand your challenges, and it has driven us to focus on expanding and improving our abilities to serve our customers. To up our game and meet the higher demands, Danfoss Sensing Solutions have made several improvements and expansions across mobile hydraulic platforms. This was through a series of far-reaching initiatives across the organization, like the investments in our factory in Germany, which means we now produce modern thin-film pressure sensors at a much higher rate, meeting future market requirements and price demands. We're also improving the localization of production and supply chains. And we are still expanding and modernizing our new state-of-the-art factory in Mexico. We keep growing our production with no compromise in the quality. With the customer fast track, our teams make sure that the validation and logistics process runs smoothly, and a dedicated cross-functional team with application experts are there to support you. Danfoss Sensing Solutions is an industry leader within pressure and temperature sensors and mobile hydraulics, and we're all geared up and ready to serve our customers reliably and globally.